Go ahead and awaken me as I come and take your bitch from the yak to Flint. Got her bent from all the cash I spent. Take her back to the yak, put her on the rack. Regroup with the troops, go shoot some hoops. That phone ring, then I gotta get that cash. And I ain't picking it up if it ain't about that stash. That coke or grass, if I come and you ain't got that cash. Then I stand up and bash your shit, cause you really made me piss. Got a fist of gin, now it's time to go in. Never know what's on the other side. Like what nigga, you afraid to die? Fly high in the sky, make your family cry. Bring joy to their eyes, shit me too. And the whole crew, pour out a fifth or two. Gotta stay true, cause they never knew you like I do. Homebreakers for life, so you know we did it right. Never got the red and blue flashing lights. Fuck the law, nigga, I'm raw. If you got problems, then you know who to call. As we fall into the spot one by one, then you know it's too late to run. Yeah, this shit ain't no fun for you, but for me and my crew, this is all we do. So don't worry, it'll all be over soon. Leave you massacred when I leave the room. Then get back in the whip and dip faster than you could eat a chip. So come with me as I proceed to blow daily. And they say chronic's whack, but y'all know chronic is on it, coming back with every beat. So go rip up your sheets, cause this nigga gotta eat. Take your bitches, all they do is give me treats, so I take it. And then in this rap game, I gotta make it big. Come to my crib, see how I live. Never tell a fib, work too hard to be fake, so I'll do what it takes.